Welcome back. In this class we will be work on validations, basically the inline validations, right? So if I go to my fields blade.php, and then these are our fields, right? We have the product and the price, description, and image field, right? So first let's add a validation. And first thing is first, if I go to the form group class and then space, and then I will inside the blade template syntax, I'll say errors has a name, then add a class has error, right? If there's no error, then let it empty. So if I came back, and of course I'll create a span as well. So inside a span, the text would be danger, and then I'll say errors has a name as first, then errors show errors name. If there's no, then let it empty. So if I come to my add product page and then click on add product, now you can see this is error, but this is empty. Oops, then I'll say basically this is a mistake, and then I'll say errors first name. Okay, it's working. So we will do this operation to all of these. Okay, I'll pause the video and do it because I don't want to waste your time. Okay, that's done. Simply I have added check if there is error in for example, error could be price, description, then add a class, and inside span I've checked that if there is error, for example, description error, image error, then simply get the error, right? So if I go again to my browser and then check, reload the page, and if I click on add product button, now you can see how beautifully, oops, I think these fields are not working. So let me just check them real quick. I didn't check them. Oh yeah, I think the bracket is missing because I rapidly do them. So rapidly works are, again there's a problem. Oh yeah, the bracket is not important. Save them and now check them. Okay, there we go. Now everything is, the validation is working perfectly fine. Okay, now one thing we will do, we need basically, for example, our requirement is, and it would be nice if we click on the image thumbnail should be look here, right? So to do this, we will go to our new tab and then say jQuery image thumbnail, I think on upload. So if I scroll down to this link, this is the link basically. If I go back, this is the website, and this is the link, image preview thumbnails before upload using jQuery and PHP, and this is the markup tag, and this is the JavaScript files, and this is the CSS file, and this is the demo example. If I upload this, oops, this is very nice, right? So let's do it. If I will simply copy this div because this is already exists. So if I copy this and paste it inside fields, okay, below the file, right, the file name is image, and then I'll simply copy the script tag, right? Just copy the script tag and paste them inside public JS file, and then we will create a new JS file which will be called script, and then paste the script code, and this would be file input. We will just call this image, id is image, and if you come to the fields, and then of course we will add an id because the id is not exist image, right? and then the script file is not included in our master blade file, so we will include this. I think this is not included because we created right now. Not style, script file, and this is script.js file, right? And then we will need to add the CSS file. So if I copy the CSS file and then go to my CSS folder and then create a new style sheet, because we didn't set up style sheet, so style, and then paste this file, and of course again go to the master file and include this. This is assets CSS, and then the name of the file that we created right now, which is style.css, right? I think it's fine. Let's hope for the best and check it. If I reload this and then let's upload an image. Oops, it's not working. Let me just check what's the problem. This thumb output, and then these both files are not available. Let me think this problem would be inside master. Oh yeah, this is the problem. Now I believe this works. Okay, how nice it is, right? So with the help of a small plugin, it's very helpful for us to, we can see the thumbnail of image. So this was the lecture. We have learned the validation and the thumbnail for image, and in the next video we'll be work on our view products page, and it will be very interesting. So see you in the next video.